Hello everyone, welcome to Khue Handmade Trainer. Today I will show you a tutorial to make a basic kanzashiflower with round petal made of silk ribbon. Tool we need in cloth, scissors, ruler, tweezer, lighter, hot glue gun with glue stick, sewing needle with thread, and material we need in cloth, silk ribbons for petals, cycle felt for flower base, button or artificial statement for flower center. That's all thing we need. Let's start now. We go to step by step instruction now. Step 1. Prepare the petal. First, cut the ribbon into square shape. 5 to 8 feet. Quantity of the petal is depending on the person. In this video, I use the ribbon in sweet chewing to make a demo flower with 6 petals. However, you can use longer or smaller square to make a different size of flower according to the entry. Tip for the beginner: you should start with the longer size as it is easier. Next, use a lighter to slightly burn the cut edge to prevent ribbon fraying. Step 2. Create the petal shape. Fold the square diagonally into triangle. Then draw the two hypotenuse to align with the vertex of the right angle. Then fold in half backward and adjust. Then we have a kanzashi petal in round shape. Next, trim the end of the petal. Then use the tweezers to keep it tight and seal the cut edge with the lighter. Next, trim the bottom tip. Then seal it with the lighter. We finish a petal. For the balance petal, repeat the step above. Now we come to the step 3. Assemble the flower. In this video, I will show you the 2 ways to assemble the flower. First, use the sewing needle to sew the petal together. Finish the first way with thread. The the second way, we can use hot glue gun to attach the petal together like this. Put a little bit hot glue. Finish other flower. Then for me, I prefer using the Tristan glue due to the using Tris make the flower softer. Now we come to the step 4, finish touch. Glue a button onto the center of flower like this. Or we can do artificial statement to put on the center like this. Next step, we attach the cycle file onto the flower. And we finished one flower for the other. Is finished. We can use complex flower to attach to purse, keychain, handbags, or dress, or whatever you like. Add a decorative touch. Here are hair ornaments for the reference. I will show you the tutorial to make them in coming video later. Thanks for watching. If you feel interested in this video, please press like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.